Hey guys, welcome back to Lydia's Plate. Today we're making beef taco rice casserole. It really is this simple. I've got the beef ground, I've added rice, now I'm adding milk, a can of tomato soup, about a cup of salsa, which is about what I've got left in the jar here, and then some shredded cheese. As soon as I have that all mixed together, I'll dump it in a casserole dish, put the cheese over top, and that will go in the oven for about 25 minutes. It doesn't matter what kind of cheese you want to use. I'm using mozzarella today, but I've often used cheddar as well. It's also to your taste. You can put as much or as little cheese over the top as you like. Now for the cleanup. Put the cheese away. Clean off the can opener and put it away, and then tidy up the counters. Load the dishwasher, and we'll be about ready for supper. I decided to bring you guys in for a closer look here. I thought you might like to see just how well the baking soda works for getting things clean. There's a little spot there where the food burnt on, and I know I've got the video sped up, but it really didn't take me that long to get it scrubbed off. Just make sure you have enough baking soda, and anytime it feels like you're not getting anywhere, go for a clean spot on your scrubby and it'll come off pretty easily. At least it did for me. And this meal didn't really make a whole lot of dishes either. I mean, you see more here just because my kids are constantly drinking stuff throughout the day, or today I was also baking a bit. So you see dishes because of that, but really this meal used a can opener, a cheese shredder, a pot, a lid, a casserole dish, and a scraper, and then a serving scoop. And I could have used the same spoon for browning ground beef as I did for serving if I'd wanted to. I just didn't because I didn't. I don't really have a good reason for that. So like, it really didn't make a whole lot of dishes. So if you're looking for a super easy meal that is low maintenance and doesn't make a whole lot of dishes, this is a really good one. It'll have a bit of a Mexican taste to it, and another variation is also that you can switch out the salsa for pizza sauce if you find that you don't have salsa but you want to make a quick easy meal. So another little tip there. There we go, the dishes are all cleaned up. It is now supper time. It took me about that much time to get all the dishes cleaned up and the table set. So here we go, we pull it out and we are going to be ready to make our plate. So this is about how much I want to eat, and I like sour cream and salsa. So I'm going to put a good dollop of sour cream on top of my casserole and some homemade salsa. Yes, it's in a jar from the store. And some chips. There we go. Now some days I will mix that all together and then eat it with the chips, or I'll just use my chips to start scooping away, and that is supper. So now that supper is done, we can clean these dishes up. Dishwasher's cleaned out, so now we can load it up with whatever dishes we used during supper. There, and now that pot that didn't quite come clean, you know, often it's just a couple of crumbs. It's clean otherwise, it's just a couple of crumbs that tend to sit in there. I don't know why. So I'll just give that a quick little wash by hand, rinse out those crumbs, and then that pot will be clean. I won't put it through the dishwasher and make it take up space again. And our big water jug and a few other things here from the previous load of dishes that I'll quickly put away. I thought you also might like to see today how the baking soda works on my ceramic oven top. So I can get you a closer look next time if you want to see even closer, but I really didn't have to scrub that hard. And again, if you find it's not working, grab a different corner of your scrubby, grab some more baking soda and just go again. Here we go. I can already wipe it off. It really didn't take me that long, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you now have a new meal idea again to put on your plate, and I'll see you in the next one. You know the routine if you want to subscribe or thumbs up or anything like that, so I'll leave you to it. Bye, guys.